Alright, Fuzz Pi Guy here. As you can see, we have the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B 4 gig Pi here. Not even open yet. So, these been out for a good while now. The 8 gig version's out. Came out there a couple weeks ago. But this one's pretty nice. Has the dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4 gigs of RAM, 64-bit, 2.0 and 3.0 USBs, and the 10/100/1000 Ethernet port. So let's open this guy up. I just got this. Kind of got lost in the mail, but I ordered it from online. They dropped in price by $5, so I went ahead and picked it up. So I never had one of the Pi 4s before, so I figured kind of do like a little overview of it. So see what we got here. So we got the micro SD card. We got the USB-C power adapter here, not the micro SD like the other Pis have. We have the dual HDMI adapters for displays. Then we still have the same audio connection, whatnot. And obviously your camera hookup, your display hookup, and your GPIO pins. Then your PoE over here. If we flip it up this way, we have the 2.0 USBs and the 3.0 USBs with the Gigaport LAN connection. So this is basically obviously the same thing as all the other Pis, just a lot faster and definitely a lot more RAM. So nothing too different from the Pi 3 3B Plus here. Obviously the full size HDMI connector and the micro USB. You still have your SD card and everything. So, and obviously your older USBs. So this should definitely be a game changer, especially the 8 gig version of this guy. I was going to pick one of those up, but they didn't have none in stock, so I figured why not get the 4 gig since it dropped in price and try it out. I don't do a lot of heavy running on my Pis that I need 4 gig, let alone 8 gig. But obviously if you're using this for like an actual type of computer, the 8 gig would definitely be the way to rock and roll. So figured I'd just do a little quick overview of this guy to let people know what it looks like, and hopefully it kind of helps out. But other than that, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another one.